Hello, Cloud Monks. Welcome back to my channel, A Cloud Monk. And today, our topic is AWS Certification Path for different roles. So, let's get started on this one. So, if you are a fresher and if you are like new to technology and want to start AWS cloud journey, then this video is for you. If you are from non-IT background and want to start AWS cloud journey, then this video is for you. And if you are like in different roles like sales, marketing, product owner, if you are product owner, project manager, and any other business roles, so that on those roles also this video is for you, right? So are you working on the different roles and start gaining more knowledge on AWS cloud? So let's explore different roles and what type of certification we can do for each roles. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So let's talk about sales teams, marketing team, product owners, project manager, and if you are fresher, if you are coming from non-IT backgrounds, in those cases, so definitely we need to start with AWS Certified Practitioner exam, because that validates foundational knowledge of AWS cloud and terminology. So like different what are the like different AWS services are there, and what is the purpose of those services, that basically this exam provide the knowledge, right? So nowadays means all organization moving to clouds, so like they want every roles to have like some basic idea about the clouds. So how basically cloud works and how we can sales the cloud applications, how we can market them in the markets, and how basically we develop the cloud product. So and how we can handle the project management of those cloud product, right? So for those roles, definitely we should be aware about the like different services, different terminology on the cloud. So that is why this cloud practitioner exam is must for these roles. And if you are fresher and want to start your cloud journey, then in that case also you basically need to start with this cloud practitioner exam. And also like if you're non coming from non IT backgrounds and don't have any idea about AWS cloud, then you can start with AWS certified cloud practitioner exam. So by giving this exam, then you can like position yourself for entry level cloud jobs and to earn additional certification. So like after this you can go to like other certification as well. But to go to other certification, I think you should have some basic knowledge, right? So let's explore different other certification and for different other roles as well. So if you are fresher and want to move to some specific role, so based on that role, we have different certification path and that you can achieve, right? So let's move one by one to each role, and you can decide in which role you want to go, and accordingly you can prepare your certification exam. So there are lot of certification exam from AWS platform. So let's explore each role and the certification path for each those roles. Let's move to next slide. So about the solution architect. So for solution architect, basically what is the role of solution architect? So they basically design, develop and manage and cloud infrastructure and assets work with DevOps to migrate application to the clouds. So this is the main role of solution architect, and to basically gain more knowledge as a like on the certification path, we should have like we can do cloud practitioner exam first, then we can move to the solution architect associate exam, then after that solution architect professional exam we can do. And if we want to do like more deep dive, then we can also do the security specialty exam, but that is not must. So I think you can do exam up to solution architect professional, but on deep level you can give extra certification for security, because like nowadays security is most important part, and every company is following it, right? So that is why it is mentioned here. And these are like these are not recommendation from me. These are the recommendation from AWS side. So which I am same thing I am telling you here. And if we are talking about application architect, if we want to move there, then first let's understand what they do. So they design significant aspects of application architecture, including user interface, middleware, and infrastructure, and ensure enterprise wide level scalable, reliable, and manageable system. So to basically for this role, what certification path we can do follow? So we can do cloud practitioner exam, then solution architect associate, then we can do developer associate, and after that we can do developer professional exam. Because in developer professional DevOps engineer professional exam, uh, we basically have like more detail about the serverless architecture designing, and how different applications we can uh, do. So that details basically comes under DevOps engineer professional. So those things by these four uh, exams we can do basically we can achieve knowledge as a application architect. But if you want to go into deep, then definitely you can also give solution architect professional exam. Okay, then let's move to the next role. So if we are cloud want to make a cloud data engineer, then in that case we can. So let's understand their role. So they basically automate collection and processing of a structure and semi-structured data, and monitor data pipeline performances. So for that, practitioner exam is there. We can do solution architect associate. We can do. Then after that, we can move to the data analytics specialty exam. And for security purpose, if you want to go into the deep dive, then for that we can also do security specialty exam. Now next role is software development engineer, and they develop, construct, and maintain software across platform and devices. And for these, we can do practitioner exam, then developer associate exam, and then DevOps professional exam. Let's move to the next role, system administrator. So they install, upgrade, and maintain computer components and software, and integrate automation process. So for this role, we can give cloud practitioner, SysOps administrator associate exam. Then we can move to the DevOps engineer professional. Let's move to the next role. So now cloud engineer, so they implement and operate an organization networked computing infrastructure, and implement security system to maintain data safety. And for this role, we can do cloud practitioner exam, SysOps administrator associate, security specialty exam we can do. And if you want to go into the deep uh, uh, dive, then in that case we can do DevOps engineer professional and advanced networking specialty. Next role is test engineer. In this role, basically what they do, they embed testing and quality best practices for software development from design to release throughout the product life cycle. And to basically gain knowledge for this role, what certification we can do? We can do cloud practitioner, developer associate, and DevOps engineer professional. Next role is cloud DevOps engineer. They do basically they design deployment and operations of large scale global hybrid cloud computing environments, advocating for end to end automated CI/CD DevOps pipeline. So this is like few things like but cloud DevOps engineer do a lot of things. So there is lot of things which comes under cloud DevOps engineer. But to uh, go for this role, you should have idea like about many things, and certification path we can do like practitioner exam, developer associate we can do, and after that we can do like if you want to go into the deep dive, then we can do DevOps engineer professional. But if we want to get some knowledge on the sysops level, then in that case also we can do sysops administrator associate exam. Next role is DevSecOps. I think you should have some idea about it. So DevSecOps means developer security operation engineer who have like knowledge about development as well as security as well as operations. So so they do accelerate enterprise cloud adoption while enabling rapid and stable delivery of capability using CI/CD principle, methodologies, and technologies. For this role, we can do cloud practitioner, SysOps administrator, DevOps engineer professional, and then security specialty exam. So specialty security specialty exam is must for this role. Next role is cloud security engineer. For they do design computer security architecture and develop detailed cyber security design, develop, execute, and track performance of security measure to protect information. For this role, we can do cloud practitioner, administrator associate, then security specialty exam we can do. And for more detail, we can do DevOps engineer professional and advanced networking specialty exam. Next role is cloud security architect. For they do design and implement enterprise cloud solution, applying government to identify, communicate, and minimize business and technical risk. For this role, we can do cloud practitioner exam, then solution architect associate, then we can do security specialty exam. For deep dive, what we can do, we can basically do solution architect professional. Next role is network engineer. So they design and implement computer and information networks such as local area networks, LAN, we can say WAN, wide area networks, intranets, extranet, etc. There are a lot of things for network engineers. So for them, we can do cloud practitioner exam, solution architect associate exam, advanced networking specialty exam. So advanced networking specialty is must. And if you want to like give more detail about get gain the more detail about the security, then we can do security specialty exam. For machine, so next role is machine learning engineer. For so they research, build, and design artificial intelligence system to automate predictive models and design machine learning systems, models, and schemes for this role, we can do practitioner exam, then solution architect associate, so that we can get some more knowledge about the services. Then sysops administrator associate and developer associate to gain knowledge about developer and sysops one. Then we can move to the machine learning specialty exam. So for this role, machine learning specialty is must after the certification. So this was the like all different roles here, and which we completed now. And so like these things which I am recommending here, that comes from the AWS side. And if you want to like check more detail, uh, then I can provide the link.